So styling red pants for the day, I thought pairing with denim would be a great option. Firstly, because denim speaks casual and cool, and second, blue and red go so well together. Also, adding accessories that are minimal and monochromatic make them day appropriate and subtle at the same time. So I chose a thin denim belt and fun layered necklace keeping up with the same color theme. And then, of course, red clutch and heels. And now for a night look, what can be better than a black silk shirt that speaks formal, sleek and classy for a night party or dinner? Gold chunky accessories would be ideal for this look. For belts this time, choose a statement belt. Black purse with gold accents is a safer and a great option. Now a quick recap. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep living, and I'll see you soon. Bye.